What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Living in Orlando channel. It's Avery, your trusted real estate advisor here in Central Florida. We are doing a two-part series of this or that. In the first video, we talked about a new construction home, 2024 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Today, we're going to look at a home that was recently renovated, as well as a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,596 square foot home. There are some key similarities as well as key differences in this home. This home is going to have a 2-car garage, a little bit shorter driveway. Instead of about 6 cars, you're going to be able to comfortably fit about 4 plus 2 more in the garage, as well as some differences. Now, the roof, the AC, the hot water heater, as well as interior and exterior paint have all been upgraded in this house. So it's like you're getting a brand new house, as well as bathroom updates, kitchen updates, floor updates. There are a lot of similarities, which is why we're very curious, this one or that one. This house is listed $5,000 below the last one. It is a 1/4 acre corner lot. So the lot is a little bit bigger as well. I cannot wait to show you guys this house. Let me know in the comments, would you guys like this one or the last one? As well as if you're looking to buy, sell, invest in the Central Florida market, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Our contact information is going to be listed below in the description box. Let's check out this house. So let's come into this home. So this one is more of an open floor plan. You have a very large living space, and it flows right into the kitchen and the dining room. No carpet in this home whatsoever. And as you guys can see, we have some ceiling fans, chandeliers, and recessed lighting. So go ahead and check out the living room. So coming into the kitchen, we have a white color scheme. We have some nice backsplash with the white shaker cabinets and the Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. We have a nice pantry here as well. And our dining area that also has a nice centered chandelier with a beautiful window and sliding door overlooking the backyard. This is a split floor plan home. The last home was not. So we have a laundry room, an actual laundry room with a nice linen closet. And then behind me is the master suite. It has a large room, a beautiful walk-in closet, and a master ensuite that is just absolutely gorgeous. That garden tub you guys are going to love. So let's go check them out. coming into here behind me, we have 2 rooms with a shared bathroom. All right, so let's go check out that 1/4 acre corner lot.